Cyclone Harold made an exit of our waters early this morning after leaving a path of destruction behind in Fiji. Harold's heavy rains are still making their way through catchment areas, meaning that streams and rivers, particularly the Rio River, will likely still see water levels rise. So even if the sun is shining, please remain cautious of floodwaters. Unpredictable currents, submerged debris, downed power lines, and live electrical cables mean that crossing a river could still prove deadly. As Fijians pick up the pieces, after being struck by yet another severe cyclone, I want to thank our disciplined forces and the NDMO, who worked through the heavy winds and rain to keep us safe. Between Tropical Cyclone Harold and the global COVID-19 pandemic, our economy and our people have been dealt two body blows to start the year. While we may be on the ropes, now is when the measures of our resilience and diligence matter most. This storm must not compromise our coronavirus containment efforts, lest we reach damage far more painful than the aftermath of any cyclone. So please, continue to follow all of our life-saving public health directives. Friends, Team Fiji is not out. We will rise back to our feet and we'll do it together. Stay strong, Fiji.